Number 14 says graph the cubic function. So first of all, we're going to write down the coordinates of the original cuboid function, which will be x, -1, 0, 1, and 8. And those values for the y function, y will be produced are -2, -1, 0, cube root of 1 is 1, cube root of 8 is 2. So now for the new function, we need to let x be the value so that we will revert back to those functions, the values for the x of the original. So first we're going to let x be -13, since -13 plus 5 will be -8. And so that will be -8, and then cube root of that is -2 plus 3 will give us a value of 1. Next, we're going to want -1 inside the cube root, so we will need that to be, x value will be -6, and that will be -1. Cube root of -1 is -1, plus 3 is 2. Next, we want a 0 inside, so that will be a -5, and the cube root of 0 is 0, plus 3, that will be 3. Next, we want it to be 1, so it will be a -4. So, -4 will give us -1. Cube root of -1 is -1 plus 3 will be 2. Sorry, actually, that will be a positive 1. And so that 1 plus 3 will be 4. Next, we want it to be 8. So x equals 3 will make it cube root of 8, which is 2, plus 3 is 5. So let's go ahead and graph the original first. So the original is going to have -8, -2, -1, -1, which is right there, and then 0, 0, 1, 1, and 8, 2. So this is the original cube root of x function. Next, we're going to graph the new one. The coordinates are -13, 1, which is way out here somewhere. And then we have -6, 2, which is there. And then we have -5, 3. And -4, 4. And then we have 3, 5, which is over here. So the new graph would look something like this. So this is the both functions graph on the same x and y coordinate, and that is the final graph.